here, turn it, put it back on, and then we reverse everything. So we're gonna put this back on. First this, boom. Then we come underneath, and we put this back on. Okay. Then you would go to the tensioner because the blade is really loose now. So we're going to turn clockwise until you see the blade gets tense. Then we're going to go around to the back side. We're going to find 3/8, and we're just going to tension the blade up until that washer hits. Now, you'll come, what I like to do is I just kind of like to let it go around. If you hear noise, something's wrong. So the next thing we do is we want to move these, which is kind of, these are little tensioners, so it's basically guides. And you don't want these guides to be touching the blade. Yeah, you don't want it pinching anything. So you want it just off. And then when you get it just off, you tighten. And again, the same, and then we're going around, no noise. Yay.
Nice.
So then, that's pretty much the main thing that can really screw you up, is if these are scratching and it's going to dull the blade. We don't want that. And then we go here and we reverse what we did here. So we would come, we would put this on top and bottom, and then reverse what we did. Boom. Boom. Last thing, we gotta put this back on. So we come, and that just pops right in. And then you would close, you plug it in, and you turn it on.
Woo!
Yay.